Imam Ali al-Hadi, the 10th Shia Imam, was known for his profound wisdom and miraculous insight. One of the most remarkable incidents from his life occurred during the reign of the Abbasid Caliph, Mutawakkil. Mutawakkil was infamous for his hostility toward the Ahlulbayt. One day, out of envy and malice, he summoned Imam al-Hadi to his court. Mutawakkil accused the Imam of hoarding wealth to fund a rebellion. Disappointed by the lack of evidence, Mutawakkil decided to humiliate the Imam. He invited him to a gathering where alcohol was being served. Mutawakkil mockingly offered a glass of wine to the Imam, knowing full well that drinking was against Islamic principles. The Imam's response was firm yet graceful. "By Allah, wine has never mixed with my flesh and blood. Excuse me from this." Seeking to test the Imam further, Mutawakkil demanded that he recite a poem. The Imam complied, but instead of reciting light-hearted verses, he recited lines about the fleeting nature of life and the inevitability of death. Those who built palaces and thought they would live forever now lie buried beneath the ground, their wealth and power gone. Their tombstones are their only companions, and the worms their only visitors. The Imam's words pierced through the court, silencing everyone. Mutawakkil was so overcome with guilt and dread that he dismissed the gathering. This incident is a powerful reminder of the Imam's unwavering faith, moral courage, and ability to transform even the most hostile environments into opportunities for guidance. Imam Ali al-Hadi remains a beacon of light for those seeking truth and righteousness.